What's up guys, how's it going? Today I just wanted to do a very quick video on the coronavirus and how that's going to impact us as match bettors. So as you've probably seen, sporting events being cancelled all across the world. So for example, the US have cancelled all of their events, and in the UK the Premier League and the Football League have both been cancelled as well. So this begs the question, what is there going to be left for us to bet on, and how are we going to make use of any offers if they are out? And how we're going to make use of them to make profits. So first up, horse racing is still going ahead at the moment in the UK. However, I know that on Monday the government are going to look into banning mass gatherings of people. So I don't think horse racing will go on behind closed doors, so we might have to scratch that one off the card as well. However, there's still horse racing going on abroad at the moment. You will have to monitor the situation, but that might be a good place to get some bets on as well. Also, the bookies have been pushing what they call virtual sports for quite a while now. It's basically just like a computerised version of a football match or a horse race, for example. But the punters haven't really quite bought into this. They still prefer the live and real football matches or horse races, for example. But I think that the bookies might capitalise on this opportunity to kind of push it a bit further. So I'd expect to see a few more offers on virtual horse racing and virtual football. However, just bear in mind that you aren't able to lay these off. You aren't able to place a lay bet on the betting exchange to cancel off your virtual back bet. So this would rely on what we call advantage play, where you kind of take the edge the bookie hold and it is put into our court because of how good the offers are. However, it does mean that you could go on long losing streaks before you do make up that money. So I wouldn't recommend doing this if you are a newbie or if you have a limited bank size. And then next up is casino offers. Now I do believe that the casino offers that we see may rise because bookies have still got to make money somehow, haven't they? They can't just carry on throughout this period not taking any bets and people not risking their money on the casino, for example. So I do think they will try and give out a few more casino offers to try and get people to, I don't know, be more encouraged to spend their money somehow. So this might be more bet this and get this amount of free spins, or deposit this and get an extra percentage on top as a bonus. I do think we'll see a lot more of these, and if they are worth doing, we can capitalise on this to see an increase in our profits and kind of make up the slack for what we're losing in the sports area of match betting. One thing that I do recommend at this time though is to kind of withdraw or keep the levels of money that you're holding in each bookie quite low. Reason being is if the bookies do find themselves in difficulty, then they may end up folding and your funds might not be protected. So I do recommend only keeping in the bookies what you think is a relatively small amount and what you need to carry out your activities. So I wouldn't store money in there that you don't need to be in there, basically. And that's it for today, guys. I mean, I don't know how long this virus is going to last or how long the sporting events are going to be down for. I do think that once we come out on the other side of this, that we will see an increase in offers, not only back to the level that we were a couple of weeks ago, but actually above that, as the bookies will try and kind of entice people back into that routine of spending money on bets. However, this is all just speculation. I can't promise any of this is going to happen. I'm just saying it with a couple of fingers crossed that it will recover and exceed the level that we are at the moment. So yeah, that's it. So take care of yourselves. Take care of the family and the loved ones around you and your friends, and just be safe. Don't do anything unnecessary. Alright, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.